friends, today we're going to unbox an American Stud garbage disposal. Here it is.
Yeah, so it's a high-class disposal. Has big shield. It has a big shield, easy wipe protection, and it has a lot of torque. It's known for its really nice amount of torque that it offers. Easily to crunch up them annoying foods that get stuck in your sink. So let's open this.
Come in.
So we have to open some kind of stick. So this is our thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's one of those highly guarded things. Installation guide and a couple of warnings too, and lots of warranty.
Okay, so let's see this big monster garbage disposal out.
Okay, so with some help we got it out, and here it is. A shiny new garbage disposal. It's very shiny. I feel bad that this is something that has to sit in your kitchen cabinet and be unseen, because it's beautiful. Okay, so it has 1.25 horsepower, 1.25 horsepower. It's really powerful, that is, for something this small. So this pipe, we got installation instructions, our full installation instructions, and inside this tiny little check box. Okay. Okay, so some magnetic rubber guards. So it's supposed to protect it from bacteria and microbes and many other single-celled organisms that can really ruin your day. Instruction manuals, much more detailed than the last one. The last two we've shown. And then it has this bag, which just contains a bunch of screws and a cap, as you can see here. It has a double blade system. So it has one blade over there that works, and then it has another one if you look closely. Yeah. Okay, so this wraps up our review of the unboxing of this American Standard BioShield garbage disposal. Thanks for watching. And one thing I would really wish is that this thing could be kept out, because it's really good looking.